My name is Richie Dartois. I go by Richie. I'm an employee of Mars for the last 20 years, and today and for the last 5 years, I'm the Director of Digital Demand Engineering. We are implementing technology platform. We are developing and supporting experiences that face our consumer, customers, and associates worldwide. We are going to relaunch completely our corporate brand with new branding guidelines, and we are going to make it public in 5 months. But we knew with the technology we were using at the time, we are not in a position to make it happen on time. And that's how we got to know Acquia, and we discovered Acquia Site Factory. We have also a corporate site localized in 34 additional markets in the world, across 24 different languages. And that part, we did it successfully and after the initial launch in 6 months only. And we use Content Hub from Acquia to make sure that we maintain the content that is common and shared across those sites. For our company, Halloween in the US is a big thing. How might we celebrate Halloween during the pandemic? We thought about a new experience, completely virtual, kind of a gaming experience with a mobile app. We call it Treat Town, where you were virtually knocking on the door of a neighbor and you would get rewarded by Mars products, right? So we use Acquia for the website supportive of the application, and as the backend supportive the content fed in the mobile application. Working with Acquia gives us the freedom to focus on business problems and need, as opposed to focusing on technology problems, right? We wanted a solution we knew we could scale to hundreds of websites, eventually to 600 or 700 websites on a single platform. And so we needed something heavily reliable with outstanding performance, something we can retain an incredible velocity, because as soon as we're done, it doesn't stop there. Obviously, we need to continue maintaining experiences, launching new experiences. We tend to make a lot of acquisition as well. So when we make acquisitions, we need to have also a platform to integrate those experiences and expand the benefit, expand the approach for those new brands we acquired. So Acquia really is the backbone, the foundations, the energy of those experiences. And it gives us a flexible and modular approach on how we get things done.